Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. Going to go through some interesting stuff in relation to Ripple and XRP. Of course, the ISO 20022 migration is happening very, very soon, guys. November is not far away. I'm going to go through that. We've got some interesting stuff happening with Terra Classic as well. We've got Shiba Inu updates, everything. Charles Hoskinson here fighting with the XRP army. It's unbelievable. Going to go through everything, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight to it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye, especially in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, I'm feeling a little under the weather today, and you can probably hear it in my voice, but the news has to continue. This is very, important stuff that's going on in the financial world at the moment. But let's go straight to the community tab. And you can see here, 100 million XRP valued at 51 million US dollars transferred from FTX to an unknown wallet. That is just an insane amount of XRP. Straight up, I would be sweating bullets if I was transferring $51 million in one transaction. I think some of us would be stressing if it was $1,000, let alone $51 million USD, which is probably about nearly $70 million. It's madness. Anyway, altcoins that were up in my portfolio: CKB, we had Holochain, Win, Kin, and Reef. There you go. They were the ones up this morning in my portfolio. Now, let's go to CoinSpot, because this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody. All right, catering. Now, you've got Bitcoin sitting at $30,000. This is the absolute bottom in my opinion. I do not think it's going to drop much below this. It's around about 19,000 USD. All right, so it's been trading like this for sideways. I did show this yesterday on my trading view. Again, it's been like this for months. It's really annoying. But Ethereum's down $2,098 today. XRP still holding strong, even though they're in the battle of, for all of crypto, it's still, in the top three. Straight up. It will flip Ethereum once this case is over. You've got 81 cents for that. Cardano's at 65 cents. Solana's at $51. Dogecoin at 9 cents. You've got Matic at $1.32. Polkadot's at $10 as well. Shiba Inu is down 6%. There are some updates with Shiba Inu as well. Still going, making moves. I'm still holding it as well. You've got Chainlink, $11, all right, partnered with Swift. All right, so definitely want to hold for the portfolio if you're looking for something for the banking sector. And I think I need to add this to my list, just saying. What else we got here, guys? Stellar XLM is at 20 cents. You've got Near Protocol, it's $5, which is nice. Algorand's at 51 cents. You've got Quant up slightly today to still $251. This has not dropped back, which is really annoying as well, because I'd like to add more to the portfolio. In my opinion, it's going to be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset. That's just my opinion. Some interesting stuff happening with Terra Classic as well. I'm going to get through that in a second as well. But guys, I'm still holding it. See what happens there, but we've got some interesting stuff there. VeChain, 3 cents as well, still undervalued. Hedera's at 9 cents. You've got Mana and Sandbox as well, $1.07 and $1.29. I think the metaverse stuff is like just slowly, just in the background there, guys. There's a lot happening with this in the future with metaverses and all this, hype and all this kind of stuff. Give it time. Long term, guys. You've got to think long term. Theta's $1.65 as well. Axie Infinity's down nearly 6% to $19, which is, a great time to buy, in my opinion. $20 is like flatlining. It has been for ages. It's like a stable coin pretty much. Like, honestly, it really is. IOTA is at 42 cents right now, another banking coin. GRT, the graph, at 14 cents. Now, this one's interesting. It's Web3. I've seen some pretty crazy price predictions for this one. So I do hold the graph. So for those of you looking for the flyer, please do your own research, but look it up. Neo's at $13. You've got Phantom at 33 cents. Keep scrolling down to my other favorites here, guys. Of course, XDC still holding strong at 5 cents, which is really nice. Waves at $5. And of course, XYO is another flyer here, guys, at 1 cent. And Reef is a definite one for the portfolio, guys, a definite flyer under a cent, okay? This one here, I've seen predictions in the dollars. So it's a no-brainer for me. And of course, Alliance Block, which was doing quite nicely, but it's down 20% today to 9 cents still. So again, when they go down, this is when I like to buy, not when everyone's buying on the way up, pretty much. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And before I get into that, guys, join the Patreon. It is linked below. I'm building a very bullish community of serious investors, and I love talking with everyone in there, putting up ideas with the community as well. Obviously, my trades, what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, everything to do with business stuff. Everything. I love talking with everyone. So linked below, join up to the community, guys. It's very, very bullish. All right. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles, see what is going on in the market. The only one, guys, is Huobi token. This has been going for the last few days. 16% on the day, 27% on the week, and 9% on the month. Very, very interesting right there. Not that I'm interested in it, but its all-time was $11.22, currently trading at virtually half price. And that's when I say to people as well, like just in general, like the entire crypto market, for example, like XRP, I was buying that at like $1.90, $2. So to see people now saying, oh, it's expensive, blah, blah, blah. No, it's not. I mean, we're in a bear market right now, so this is the perfect time to accumulate. Dollar cost averaging every single week, setting an amount of money, not financial advice, but setting an amount of money for yourself every single week and just buying your favorite assets, just slowly building up, because when the bull market returns, everything's going to go up in value. Literally everything's going to go up in value. I mean, ICP, for example, was like $145 in the peak of the bull market. So to see this now at $5 USD, crazy stuff. Now, obviously, we've got some other ones here that are down. I'm trying to find XRP here. It's very, very small at the moment. Here we go. 8.6 on the week. It is still up 38% on the month, which is really nice as well. Was trading at $1.26. Basically, I was buying at those levels. $1.90, $1.50, peak of the bull market, all right? 49 cents for me. Anyways, like half price. This is what I'm saying. So everything you see here is on the cheap. Now, Casper as well, still up 14% on the week, 22% on the month. It's a no-brainer for Casper, in my opinion. Definitely want to hold for the portfolio. Now, ISO 222, guys, is going live in November. All right, there's a conference that's gone on somewhere in Europe, I believe, in Sibos, something like that it's called. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but for those of you who don't know what ISO 222 is, it is basically a messaging system for banks and financial institutions to message each other. That's basically what it is. However, Ripple and XRP are basically going for the whole thing here, which means moving physical funds. Sorry, lose my words. So physical money, they're moving back and forth. But this is happening in November, so we are not far away. What are we now? The 11th of October. It is a few weeks away, so keep an eye on this. I think everything's sort of coinciding with the lawsuit ending as well with Ripple. In my opinion, honestly, I think the case will end in November. We'll see how we go. I do have a new scheduling table as well that James K. Phelan put out. Obviously got some interesting stuff for you guys. Ripple. Now, get rid of these stupid pop-ups here. Sorry about that. Ripple will be the basic layer for these CBDCs and stable coins. Will it drive the XRP price? I think it will as well. So veteran crypto expert Kahneman right here provides new insights into the progress of the top XRP ledger-based stablecoins, including one CBDC. The state of Palau is making progress on its CBDC development on the XRP ledger. Stablecoins are one of the focused areas and applications on the XRP ledger. As one of the beginning of the quarter, many development teams from various nations worldwide are developing stable currencies using the XRP ledger as a technology platform right here. Veteran crypto expert with Twitter username Wrath of Kahneman right here, legend by the way, shares a list of containing stablecoin projects that are likely to succeed over the long term on the XRP ledger. And you can see there right there, guys, Stability USDS, Stasis right here, EuroS, XUS as well, Palau USD, AUDC's Novati Group. That is Australia. All right, so Australia is building their stablecoin on the XRP ledger as well as Stellar XLM. They're working with these two projects. Now, moving on, guys, Cardano creator right here, Charles Hoskinson, and he's just going all out on Twitter at the moment, weighs in on the Ripple lawsuit, calls the case against the XRP absurd. So obviously you've got the ADA founder says that the US Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against Ripple Labs is absurd. The SEC sued Ripple Labs in late 2020 under allegations the firm issued XRP as an unregistered security. In a lengthy thread, Hoskinson tells his 950,000 Twitter followers that he doesn't believe the layer 1 protocols count as securities as they are too decentralized and have real world utility, and that's absolute facts. He also says that the investors speculating on assets doesn't automatically qualify them as securities. I've always taken a position that most layer 1 protocols aren't securities because it's bizarre and senseless to consider something that offers utility, is decentralized right here enough to obviously have the operators and builders throughout the world and survives its founders passing the Howey test right now. So people speculating on oil doesn't make oil a security anymore. So that baseball cards, right? So obviously then baseball cards, you can always securitize oil and baseball cards. But then you have the obvious issuers and information asymmetrics right here, guys. So he's going on a whole rant here, but cryptocurrencies aren't immune to regulation. Markets need to be stable, well-functioned, trusted actors monitored, and cartels examined. Commodity regulation is principles based right now, market-orientated and global by nature. Commodities survive those who aggregate them. So Ripple created something that has an ecosystem that will survive its executives or anyone else. The very fact that there is an independent XRP army criticizing me is proof of this reality. The ledger will run likely for decades, trading value right now, which is really interesting as well. So he's basically called it a commodity. All right. And obviously you got here, guys, Ripple and XRP is the week's best performer with 18% gains. Keep an eye on that, guys, because again, if there's any more positive news, I can guarantee this is going to go a lot higher than what it is at the moment. Now, you've got some interesting stuff about Bitcoin as well. So billionaire Paul Tudor Jones says that Bitcoin will have much higher value someday. And I agree with him. And I honestly do. So when there is too much money, why? Which is why we have inflation and too much physical spending. Something like crypto, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum, where there is a finite amount of that will have the value at some point someday, he said. So he believes Bitcoin is going to go a lot higher. I know that Kathy Woods from ARK Invest basically said Bitcoin will probably end up at $1 million someday, and I agree. So honestly, I really do. So once, obviously, a lot of people want to put money into something that's going to store their value, their wealth. Bitcoin and obviously cryptos are going to be there at the forefront. Terra Classic is up 35% in the last 24 hours as a re-peg proposal emerges. I don't know what's going on with this, guys. This is already supposed to be pegged to $1, which is really interesting. So after the broadly publicized collapse of Terraform Labs stablecoin Terra USD, native token of Luna, obviously the stablecoin is now under the name of Terra Classic, has seen a price rally to a monthly high as Terra Classic community welcomes the re-peg proposal. I don't know what's happening with this, guys. I'm not interested in Terra USD, but just put it in there for the news. Shiba Inu, very interesting as well, guys. So finally listed on this major cryptocurrency exchange, which is really interesting as well. Let's scroll down here, guys. So one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges, BitMEX, announced that the 6 new cryptocurrencies will soon be listed on its platform. Among others, the Shiba Inu token, SHIB, will be available for trading on BitMEX as well. So you can expect Shiba Inu to have some movement. However, given the fact that we're in a bear market right now, I don't think we're going to move because, I mean, Hedera just got announced that it was going to be listed on Coinbase. Didn't do anything in terms of that. Now, Do Kwon continues cashing out of Terra while investors remain hopeful, guys. This is not good. So on-chain data from Korean professors suggest that Do Kwon is moving Luna to Binance even as he promotes the new coin, which is really interesting. So according to Fatman Terra, this is Kwon's modus operandi right here. So on-chain data has suggested that Terraform Labs CEO Do Kwon has been cashing out Terra to a Binance wallet right here, shilling the new coin on Twitter. Guys, keep an eye on this. This is full on. So Kwon continues shilling Luna as well. I'm wondering what happens with the arrest warrant and to see exactly what happened with the authorities there and if he has been taken in. I don't think he has. Anyway, let's go here, guys. Let's go to cryptometer.io and check what's going on, where the money has been flowing in the last 24 hours. Obviously, you got Reef, which is really nice as well. UST. You've got Near Protocol, of course, USDT, Titan, BTC. That's always there because everyone's still buying Bitcoin. And that is pretty much it, guys. So it's really nice to see Reef. Money has been flowing into Reef. I've been talking about it for a very long time. And if I go to the rainbow chart here, basically this says that Bitcoin's at a fire sale right now, as you can see. Blockchaincenter.net. Go and have a look at this. So again, it's a fire sale. And I think a lot of people will accumulate Bitcoin. And if I go to the altcoin season index right here, very interesting statistics and see what altcoins have been doing very well. And let me just refresh this right now. So if I go down, all right, so you've got TKX, you've got Chiliz, Quant is up 85%, ETC, Atom, and XRP, which is nice at 58%. You've got Lido DAO, Matic, BNB Link, XLM, Ethereum, Monero, MKR, Ape, not really interested in that, EOS, BCH, you've got Uni, Elrond right here, Flow, LTC, Algorand, VeChain, XCC, which is one I was looking at as well, to be quite honest, Doge, Dot, Near Protocol, Sheeb. So all the coins that I currently hold are in there, guys, and we're currently sitting at 63 on the altcoin season. So it's still altcoin season in my opinion. Let's go to Twitter right now because I want to play this interview from Sibos. And thank you, Riz, for this tweet as well. I'm just going to play this right now. Actual fact, I'll go to my Twitter page. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there, guys, please. And here we go. Let's listen to this. This is Swift, ISO 222. Have a listen.
Anywhere in Swift strategy is building on this and goes even further to enable instant and frictionless payments and securities transactions from account to account anywhere in the world. And we're not just providing you with just one or two components either, but delivering a whole package that provides a seamless end-to-end experience for you and your end customers. This capability is unique to Swift, and we have been laser focused on the execution. Today, you can check on the security of your counterparties to make sure you are doing business with them. You can pre-check beneficiary account details to confirm upfront that a payment will get to its ultimate destination. Automatically spot potential anomalies you want to watch out for in flight. Handle problems that come up in real time. And maintain the visibility of your transaction all the way for you and your customers. And that is just not on the high-value wholesale side either. Since we spoke this time last year, we are building great momentum on SwiftGo that allows banks to get much more innovation and competition in this space with their front-end offerings to small businesses and consumers for low-value payments, reusing Swift in the back end. In the next few months, we'll make a huge advance in cross-border landscape as we activate Swift's transaction management capabilities. This is a step change in the way international transactions work, taking us beyond sequential messaging to an API-driven orchestration layer, which will power future services such as anomaly detection, data analytics, tracking, and exception management. And all of this powered by ISO 20022 rich data.
There you go. It's happening, guys. Next month, this is all happening. It's very interesting as well. Thank you, James Rule XRP, for this one. All of a sudden, Swift is announcing instant fractionless payments. We know that has mastered this for almost 10 years, guys, and that is Ripple and XRP, of course. But look at that. So this is what they're tweeting out right here. Swift Sibos right here. Session starts at 15, instant and fractionless payments. A formula for customer success. We'll look into instant and fractionless payments, the benefits to end customers, and what needs to be done to remove the other points of friction. That is all Ripple and XRP. They are the competition. You've got Plan B right here saying that the thing that separates Bitcoin from banks and fiat is math equals no trust needed right here, and I agree. This is why we love cryptocurrency, because we don't need to trust banks and institutions, all right, because they cannot be trusted. PayPal right here reverses course, says company will not seize money from people from promoting misinformation. Wait until CBDCs come, guys. That's going to be full on. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon warns the US economy will likely tip into a recession within 6 to 9 months. And I agree. Pretty crazy stuff that's happening in the world at the moment. Alex Machensky right here. Thank you, CoffeeZilla, as well. Basically such a cartoonish villain. After getting called out for stealing money from his company on the brink of bankruptcy, he starts dumping hundreds and thousands of dollars in sell tokens across multiple wallets. He's dumping, as I write this, the last trade 3 minutes ago, which is just mental, guys. Look at this. Look at the amount of money he's cashed out. 4,857, 4,927. Just, he's cashing out a lot of money. So that's pretty bad right there, guys. And obviously, next up in the Ripple case dates as well, everyone needs to pay attention to this. You've got October 18th, parties file materials relating to the oppositions to summary judgment motions temporarily under seal, including briefs. October 20th, parties must meet and confer and identify redactions sought by each side of the opposition's briefs. You've got October 24th, November 15th, November 17th, November 21st, and obviously you've got December 9th, and December 22nd. Parties file opposition to ominous motions to seal. This is all the upcoming dates in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, so keep an eye on those as well. You got Coinbase gains regulatory approval to offer crypto services in Singapore, which is really nice as well. And go and have a look at all the Charles Hoskinson tweets right here, because he's just unleashing all of his opinions. Anyway, Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 22 as well. And just in, Bitcoin mining difficulty reaches 35.61 trillion, a new all-time high. And that is pretty much it for the news updates on Twitter. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Check what the total market is doing today. $917 billion US. You've got $55 billion in 24 hours. This was at 33 billion yesterday, which is crazy. 39% BTC, 17% Ethereum, 21,200 cryptocurrencies. 99% of those are going to be useless. And again, these are the coins that I'm focusing on right now. And I do need to add another one in here, guys, to watch. And that is Link. Straight up, Chainlink right here, guys. That needs to be added to the banking list, because they are using, obviously, with Swift. They are partnering. So you've got XRP, ADA, Link, XLM, Algorand, Quant. You've got Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Casper, and Alliance Block. These are my chosen favorites right here, where my money is going to be going for sure. And of course, I'm buying Bitcoin and Axie Infinity because I love the staking, earning 78%. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much. I'm going to go chill out at home now. Peace out. We'll speak to you all in the comments, and join the Patreon link below. Peace out. Bye.